Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? So guys, how you guys doing today? So I'm back today with another reaction video, and I believe this is a member of the group Monsta X, and this is the artist name I Am, and this I Am, and this is the music video to his song Goddamn. So I'm curious to see what he's gonna be giving us.
God damn it, I like it. Pretty good, can't be shaken, yeah. I don't need it, yeah. Give me shot to over everything. God damn it, I like it. Kiss me down till I make it, yeah. I just need it, yeah. Give me shot to over everything. God damn it,
I like it.
God damn it, I like it. You're part of me, I can't be better than ever. Why try to ruin me? I'm fine with just me. 피폐하게 본 친구한테 넌 즐거워 보여. 내 방에 용기만 남아. 되돌리기에 머리가 아파. 그냥 다 괜찮다 말할까. 애써 아닌 척하게 더 이제는 질투. 거울에 비친 나를 봐. 일시적인 행복에 불안하지 마, yeah. 연속된 아픔은 다 묻어지길 바라며 Should I just give me a lot of shot, yeah. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Give me some direction.
I love the edits. I like the different location that they're giving us, the color and the lighting, flicker and everything.
Pretty good, can't be shaken, yeah. I don't need
it fits the radio play style. If this was a US single, this would have been a heartbeat, hot #1 single. But I'ma like
너도 내려보는 그때 이름을 정해놓은 내 정신은 반짝하게 눈에 늘 쌓여 익숙해져 버린 것 같아. 거울에 비친 나를 봐. 일시적인 행복에 불안하지 마, yeah. 연속된 아픔은 다 묻어지길 바라며 Should I just give me a lot of shot, yeah. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Give me some direction.
okay.
I miss you. Think I'm
That's it. God damn it, I like it. Oh, this is beautiful. Baby.
I don't need it, yeah. Give me shot to over everything. God
damn it, I like it.
Kiss me down till I make it, yeah. I just need it.
Okay, Avatar, The Last Airbender. Damn it, I like it. He's a very attractive looking man. God damn it, he likes it. Oh wow, that was, I believe he is a member of the group Monsta X, and this is I Am. So I really do appreciate that. The ones who also gave me the recommendation to this music video, goddamn, he likes it. So goddamn, he did. I really do like the video. Like I said before in music video, if this was on the American market, this would be a very hot hit. It would get a lot of radio plays, Spotify play, and streaming rights and plays for this. I really do like it. It feels the aesthetic of what the music the rap music, hip-hop music that we listen to today. So very good job. For everybody else, whatever you guys want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.